We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. continuing to fight to hold support above the 50-cent area. And it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator at 10:10 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength there on 42 vision. And call options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are, MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. As I stated, continuing to fight to hold support here, and we're going to talk about the key levels I would watch going into Monday and what's going on with the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned on Friday morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot at 12:55 p.m. sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see it popping up there within the screen, within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. doing a full transition here from bright green bars down to white with red borders on 42 vision. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. under a bear indicator here after getting a bull indicator yesterday at around the 54-cent level, and a bear indicator popping up today to cancel it at around the 56-cent level, and a full transition from the rip area to the dip area in the last 2 days, canceling out that bullish bull indicator and move so far into the charts that hit highs up here of around 58 cents, and it rejected where things have been having trouble trying to come back up in the last few days, while under that last bear indicator from up here at the 69-cent area. It was our first bull indicator popping up in the last few days and week, and then a bear indicator has now popped up here on Friday to go ahead and cancel out that bullish move from down here at around 54 cents to the 58-cent area. And it tried going back up to 58 cents in the pre-market, and it rejected it once again on Friday. Now, these inflows are above the midpoint, but they are red. They need to switch to green to justify any move to the upside. And not just that, But in the bigger picture on the 1 hour, we can go ahead and see here how outflows are dominating. Even though they're green and it's below the midpoint, these inflows need to start picking up and cross back over it to justify any move to the upside. And it's been under a bear indicator since up here at the 65-cent area, right? No bull indicator on any of the moves back up, which have not allowed for any bullish move to be confirmed, right? Backed up by inflows or bull indicator. Any move to the upside has quickly rejected. It's been under a bear indicator and outflows have been dominating here in the bigger picture of the 1 hour. And I'm going to be watching this going into next week if these inflows can even try to come back up and if a bull indicator will pop up to eventually cancel out that bear indicator from the 65-cent area. Now, when we go ahead and zoom in here to the 15-minute in the volatility, we could see here how outflows have crossed to the downside and it was under a bear indicator since the 56-cent area, and a full transition from the rip area to the dip areas were hit in the volatility of the 15-minute on Friday. And it's going to be crucial and critical for these inflows to try to pick back up to justify any move to the upside. Now, what are the key levels I would watch? Well, the first thing is support, guys. And the first support level is the 50-cent area. If these outflows start to head towards the midpoint or even cross it here on the 30-minute and hold this bear indicator true and strong from up here at the 56-cent area, the next support I'll be watching below 50 cents is the 47-cent area. And then below that is the 45-cent area. So these are the key levels I'll be watching to the downside if these outflows start to pull downwards towards the midpoint or even cross it, and if this bear indicator does not get canceled. Now, to the upside, it's going to be crucial and critical for the bulls to bring these inflows back up and start reflecting that strength into these charts, eventually cancel out this bear indicator with a possible bull indicator, and roll that strength over into the 30-minute chart as well. Get these inflows from red to green and pull them up away from the midpoint to the upside, reflect that strength, cancel out this bear indicator as well. And the first resistance is the 55-cent area. And then above that, I'll be watching the 58-cent area. And then the next level that's going to be crucial in my opinion is the 60 to 65-cent area. Those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside. I'm going to be watching the bull and bear indicators very carefully, and the inflow versus outflows, I would not ignore them as they're currently above on the 30-minute, below on the 1 hour, and same thing in the volatility of the 15-minute. If the bulls want to try to reappear, I'm going to be looking in the volatility of the 15-minute if these inflows can switch from red to green and start pushing upwards towards the midpoint or even cross it. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Now let's make some money.